Well, as you can see now, I'm basically done with my hair. I'll probably just take a little bit of the B&B foam, like I said, and put it in just to kind of, you know, go through it a little bit and get it really silky. Again, my kids are in the background making noise. But when you put the product in, you just want to comb through your hair and make sure that the curls are together and formed. And when I get ready to get finished, I just like to flip my head over and scrunch everything together, just scrunch it or whatever, so the curls have a chance to lock up and everything. I'm getting ready to go running now, so by the time I get home it'll be dry and it'll have more volume to it. But you can just put the B&B stuff in before. I like to wash my hair with the Pantene Pro V Women of Color line, Intense Moisture, and it just gives my hair a lot more moisture for my curls and stuff. It's really been the only thing that I've used that really kind of works really well. So if you just comb through it, I wouldn't do that much to it. Just comb it through it. And the way that I like to wash my hair so my curls don't get too tangled up while I'm washing it is I French braid my hair into two big French braids on the side of my head, one here and one there, and I just wash it and condition it. When I get ready to put the conditioner in, I just take the braid down and put the conditioner in, then braid it back up, and then when I get ready to rinse it, I just scrunch it to rinse it out so it's not all tangled up when I get finished. But that's the way that I do my curls. Again, don't mess with it too much while it's drying because your curls will get really, really frizzy. So you don't want to mess with it too much. The only thing I would do is flip your head over and scrunch it maybe 3 times before it gets all the way dry, and that's it. But any questions, hit me up, let me know. Talk to you guys later. Bye.